try something a little more challenging. Still given the center, but now I'm given a point on the circle. How does that help me? Well, if we remember, what is a radius? The radius, by definition, is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. So we can use the distance formula to determine the radius. So if we say -2, -14 is my x1, y1, and my 0, -13 is my x2, y2, then we can use the distance formula. I'm going to actually use r here because it's convenient. I'm looking for the radius. It's going to be x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So I can use the distance formula with these points to find the radius. So that's going to give me square root of x2 is 0 minus x1 is -2. Remember, minus a negative is plus. y2 is -13. Minus, again, we're subtracting a negative. That becomes positive, 14 squared. Simplify within the parentheses and square. 0 plus 2 is 2. Squared is 4. -13 plus 14 is 1. Squared is 1. So then r equals the square root of 5. Now don't be concerned about the fact that this is a radical. This is what we were looking for. So the radius is the square root of 5. And our center is -2, -14. Now let's write the equation. X minus the negative is plus 2 plus y minus a negative, it's plus 14 squared, equals. Now we got the square root of 5 by taking 5 and then taking the square root. So if I then square the square root of 5, I should get 5 back. So this one's a little more involved. I had to use the distance formula to get the radius. But having the radius and having the center, I can now write the equation of the circle.